You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 BMW X7. Here's a stylish, comfortable, and capable X7 that offers high-end luxury, all-weather versatility, the latest in safety and connectivity features, a serenely quiet cabin, and velvety smooth ride. Its top-quality design and delightful driving manners make every excursion a pleasure. Luxuriously comfortable yet impressively capable, this handsome X7 is the right choice for your precious cargo. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.